Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be replacing this light switch. It works, however it's getting really loose. So I'm going to get that switched out. And I didn't just go down and get something off the shelf. I got the exact replacement. That one's nice and solid, never been used, new old stock. And looks like these are from 1977. So get that installed and things should be looking pretty good here and working pretty well. Get the power turned off. Time to get started. I've ensured the power is cut off. So now it's just a matter of taking the switch plate off and getting this old switch out. That's going to be a little stubborn today. About that. There it goes. The switch that is currently installed is a Leviton brand. I'll take my screwdriver and break around where I don't mess up the paint. Break around where the switch is contacting the sheetrock or drywall. And here we are. The lighting's not going to be the best, and I do apologize. I'll just have that wire and one on the opposite side, and that's all I have. So pretty simple to replace. This packaging opened up, and there's a look at the new switch. Almost exactly the same thing. Turn the hall light on, that might have helped just a little bit. So let's get this one undone. I'm just bending this copper wire just a little bit where I can get it past the screw. Similar to what I did with the lamp on the previous video. That one's wanting to put up a little bit of a fight, but we'll get it. There it goes. Now we're ready for the new switch. We'll make sure it's oriented correctly. Where the off word and on word are pointing the right direction. And simply hook the wire back up. Make sure the wire stays underneath the screw and kind of sucks itself down and wraps itself around. That's not going anywhere. Then the same thing on the other side. will loop that wire, but I just kind of pull on the switch ever so gently to make sure the wire stays up against the screw while I'm tightening the screw. And then just make sure, give it one more tightening up there. I'll just make sure all the wires get tucked back in like they were. Next, I'll test fit the switch plate and make sure it's centered. This needs to go over to the left just a little bit. That should be good. Looks good to me. And that screw's wanting to put up a little bit of a fight, but we'll get it. It really is putting up a fight. There, I got it started now. And that little project is done. Turned out pretty nice. Let's go get the power back on and see how everything works. Power is reapplied. Beautiful. That's smooth as butter once again. Side note. It's January 28th, 2023. There's the ice cream person. So we'll turn it off. Oh, what the heck. Let's give the fan a run up. So once again, this has been replacing the toggle switch in the guest bedroom with a new old stock Mercury switch by GE from 1977. Thank you for watching.